What's up guys? And welcome to our first video on how to make money online. Today we are going to be talking about 3 websites that can make you $100 a day. Before we get into it, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel for up-to-date online money-making opportunities. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for video alerts and related content. $100 a day? Yes. Let me show you what I mean. The 3 websites that I am talking about are Upwork, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Fiverr. They are freelancing websites where anyone and everyone can offer, well, anything. Let's take a look at Fiverr for an example. As you can see in the video, you can offer anything from playing video games with people to marketing, designing, and even programming. You just sign up for free. You offer businesses all over the world what you're good at and what you love doing, and get paid to do it. It's really that simple. Let me show you. I suggested to my friend that he joins Fiverr, and he did. As you can see, in just a short time, he got offers to make logos, convert files, and he even made a few shirt designs. All in his spare time. And he made some money, which really helped him out. Amazon MT and Upworks are similar. We are not going into details about them today. Let's take a closer look at Fiverr one more time. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital services. So, if you have a talent, you can share that talent with a buyer community and make money while you are doing it. Whether you are a graphic designer, programmer, content writer, translator, or voiceover artist and many more, Fiverr has a place for you. Okay. So, creating your seller profile. First, you will need to create your seller profile. The profile is how you present yourself to the community. You are encouraged to present yourself in a professional manner. Next, creating your gig. Your so-called gig is the service that you sell on Fiverr. Creating your gig is an opportunity to show off your talent and provide buyers with all the information they need to help them decide to do business with you. Video requirements overview. Adding a video to introduce your service is one of the best ways to attract buyers. It adds a personal touch to the service that you are offering. Let's also take a look at offering packages. Packages is a way for you to offer 3 different compelling bundles to sell on your gig page. It's a great new way to give your buyers even more choice and to push your average order value way past $5. The sky's the limit. Upselling, monetizing your gig. You can maximize your revenue by upselling your gig with extras before, during, and after the order. Sending custom offers or buyer request. Sending offers allows you to be proactive and offer your services to potential buyers in a customized manner. That pretty much covers our video about freelancing websites for today. Please understand that this is our first video. Online Moneymaker will be presenting many different ways of generating online income from $100 to thousands of dollars. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to be amongst the first to know when there is a new opportunity to make some money online.